Hey my beautiful Tea Party squad, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys this beautiful Undated calendar extension pack by the Happy Planner. Also collaborated with Spoonful of Faith, and I just love her artwork, and to just have these two collaborate again together, I'm just all here for it. So I want to show you what this Undated calendar extension pack looks like on the inside, and also show you the beautiful dividers with a Spoonful of Faith artwork on there. And so if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, and I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel because I am going to be sharing a few ideas of how you could actually use this extension pack. So let's go ahead and check out this Undated calendar extension pack. All right, so this extension pack is going to come with 416 pieces. You're going to get about 4 months worth of dividers, as well as monthly and weekly sheets in here. All right, let's take this out. And as you can see here, this is it's like the dashboard layout. So that way you got to kind of get a picture of what the weekly is going to look like. So if you are thinking about trying out the dashboard layout, but you don't want to dedicate yourself to a 12-month planner or 18-month planner, a calendar extension pack could definitely be an option to try out, because again, this is only 4 months. So if you're like me, I like to switch up my planner spreads and the layouts at least 3 to 4 months, sometimes 6 months. But now I'm starting to see I want to try different layouts for each month. And so I'm thinking about doing it maybe every 4 months. So this is probably something definitely that I may want to definitely try out. So here is the first divider. It says, be good to yourself. And then here is Spoonful of Faith, beautiful artwork here. And then you will have your monthly here. Definitely neutral, but you do get a little pop of the florals here in the corner here, and then a little at the bottom. Definitely if you're not feeling the floral vibes, you can definitely just wipe that out or put a sticker over it and definitely cover that up. So I like that it's very neutral. And then here on the spine of it, you do have some more artwork of some leaves in there as well. And then here is your weekly view. Again, this is the dashboard layout, and you will get on the left side your errands to buy, calls, emails, bills pay, and focused. And then on the right side, you will get your days of the weeks or your weekly spread. And then in this corner, you can personalize this or customize it to say whatever you want. If you are a mom and you may want to use it as your catch-all, you can definitely make this like a meal planning schedule here for the week, which I think is amazing. If you're using it for social media, like I am, I'm using a dashboard layout for social media. You can definitely use this to write down all of like your Instagram posts, your YouTube videos, your Instagram reels, those sorts of things, and then mapping out the rest of your weeks for that. And I believe each page is going to have those little florals in the corners here. I don't know if you can see that one. So you have a floral here and a floral here. All right, and that's what the weekly looks like. And so I'm just going to show you just the first few pages of the weekly and the divider tab. And then here is the currently page for the next month. I don't know if you can see that. Very neutral. I like how it has like a little bullet journaling type vibe to it, because you get some dots here. You get your graphed lines, you get aligned, and then you also just get a plain little corner here. So you can definitely customize this however you want. You can even put like your months here for the next month, or for that month. You can definitely put the month at the top here, and then maybe some other priorities and goals, important dates and stuff like that. And then maybe do like some let's see, memory keeping here. Definitely can do that. All right, and so here is the next tab. It says, together we are unstoppable. Again, I'm loving this beautiful artwork by Jenna, who is part of the Spoonful of Faith. She is the artist behind Spoonful of Faith, I should say. And I just love this. In her sticker book, I believe I will be having a sticker book flip through coming soon of her sticker book. But this is one of her stickers that she have in that sticker book. And I just love that. And I just love the little quote that says, together we are unstoppable. All right, so that is tab number 2. Then you get your weeklies. And then next up is another tab that says, just keep growing. Really cute. Loving that. And so you get some of these little leaves or floral accents throughout the spine of the spreads here where the punches are, so that way it kind of all is cohesive. And then you get your monthly and then your weekly there. And then the last tab is going to be this one that says just keep trying. Again, you get some of her beautiful florals in here, and you get the little pops of lavender or purple, which I think is really cute. Then you have your monthly and then your weeklies in the back. Now, along with these extension pack, because it is undated, we are going to get stickers because, you know, we love stickers, right? So we are going to get the stickers with the months on there, and then some meeting appointments, reminder tabs as well, and then some icon stickers. And you can't have all of these and not deck it out, right? So we're going to get some of these beautiful artwork stickers from Spoonful of Faith, which is some decorative stickers. So I just love that too. And that's what we get. So we get January through December, our little meeting, appointments, and reminder stickers and the icons here. Oh, and then we get some more. And then we get our date dots so that we can date them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, we got 4 months worth of date dots. And then we have some smaller ones. We can actually use this for our monthly section here. And then we get some smaller numbers that's also 4 months. And we can use them in our weekly spreads. And then we get some of these. I use these for the divider tabs to kind of put on the, you know, on the tip or the tab right here, the opening of the tab. I normally put those here, but I like how they give you 2. So you can put one sticker on the tab and then another sticker maybe on the monthly section part of it, because it is undated and it doesn't have the months on there. So you can definitely start whenever you want. And I love that. And then last but not least, we get this beautiful folder that says Better Together. I am just loving the little friendship girls here, all about being better together. And then it's also on the same, it just does not have the quote there, but you get a pocket here and a pocket here, and definitely can put in our stickers or maybe some other fun stuff in there to add to that. So if this is something that you guys definitely think that you may want to try out, I will put the information down below in my description box if you want to go ahead and pick that up. And also I'll put down my Happy Planner affiliate link if you want to use that as well when you're making your purchase. So just a few ideas and suggestions as to how you can use this undated calendar extension pack. Again, because it is undated, you can use it whenever and start whenever you want. But it would be great to add this maybe to a current planner and Franken plan it together. Or you can actually add this and make it your own planner. By taking each extension pack, if you want to try out the dashboard layout for 4 months, you can definitely use that. If you want to use another undated extension pack with a different layout, you can add that to make into one big planner. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys enjoy me showing you what this extension pack looks like in the inside. And I hope you enjoyed Spoonful of Faith artwork. It is beautiful, and I cannot wait to see what else she has to come with this collab with the Happy Planner. So if you are new here again, my name is TUBEBUDDY, and I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoy my tips and ideas that I share here on how you can use this undated calendar extension pack. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.